Everybody loves a delicious fried saimin here in Hawaii, but I've got a secret ingredient that guarantees everybody will come back for more. I'll teach you the secret, so stick around. Aloha mai kako, my name is Relle and welcome to my kitchen where I like to share all my favorite Hawaiian and local recipes. Here in Hawaii, potlucks are part of everyday life and quick and easy dinners are super important, and I've got one for you that will guarantee be a winner. Let's make some fried saimin. First, I've got a wok set over medium-high heat and we're gonna start with all the ingredients that we'll put in. Of course, you need some good old Spam. I like to get the less sodium one, totally up to you which one you wanna get. You don't need the whole thing, so you can save it for Spam musubis, which I have a recipe for. I can link it down here or up in the card. Spam is life, right? Hawaii has the highest Spam sales worldwide. Guess we like Spam, huh? Okay, let's go let's go half. We're gonna cut slices. So I'm gonna cut this into maybe third. That one would be a little skinny, so just be careful. We're just gonna make strips. So cut them into slices like that, and then we'll cut them like this. I like to cut them in half so they're more bite-sized. Actually, let's go a little bit smaller. Let's go thirds. Totally up to you how you wanna do it. That's how I do mine. And then we're gonna also need some kamaboko. Kamaboko is fish cake. You can find it in the refrigerated section. It's a Japanese ingredient, common in a lot of things here in Hawaii. And then we're also gonna make strips of these. So we're just gonna cut it like this, and then make strips just like this. You can cut them thinner, thicker. You can leave them whole like this. Totally up to you. I like them stripped. Kamaboko is one of my favorite things as a kid. Anytime my mom made it for a dish, I would steal one or two and just eat it like that. So let's start frying up the Spam. To a wok, I got a small wok. If you don't have a wok, you can use a pan, that's totally fine. Cooking oil of choice. And then you're just gonna get the wok and the oil heated and the Spam in. And you'll just want to get some color on it. So lightly brown, just a couple of minutes. I need a spoon. Hold on. I'm back. Last time I recorded, I said I would be better at remembering everything. And here we are, forgetting things again. But it's hard. I bulk shoot these, so I shoot more than one in a day. So I have it all piled up on the side behind. Oh well, it is what it is. And then while that's going, we're gonna dice up or slice up. This is just fried egg. Same thing, strips. And I'll probably actually go half, a little bit more bite size. Now, the secret to the flavor is in the sauce. Stick around because I got a secret ingredient that'll make this a winner. When you've got a little bit of color, you can add the kamaboko in just to kind of heat through. And it kind of sticks together, so you'll just want to spread it apart. And the egg. And you'll get that going. This is like classic Saimin. So fried Saimin, it's Saimin without the soup base. Saimin is like Hawaii's version of ramen, a little bit thicker, chewier noodles. Now we're gonna cut up some green onions, and you're just gonna make thin slices. So cut the root off and then just run your knife. The little rubber foot came off my cutting board, so it's kind of sliding all over. So a trick would be to put like a cloth, not a washcloth. Yeah, a washcloth, dish towel or something underneath. See how it slides? This corner does it because that side has the rubber foot. I don't know where it went. It came off. Stir this up. Kamaboko is a little crispy. If you like it like that, great. If not, don't. You can toss it in a little bit later. And then the green onions go in. And then the noodles. So Saimin, you can get the fresh one, frozen. Fresh is best. They didn't have any fresh noodles when I went to the store this morning, so I got the frozen one. Works just as fine. Saimin noodles look like this. A little bit thicker, a little bit chewier than ramen noodles. You'll cook it a little less than al dente. I'm gonna toss the noodles in. Now, the secret sauce. First, shoyu. Shoyu is Japanese style soy sauce. Find it in the Asian aisle at most grocery stores. I buy the low sodium. You can get whatever one you want. This is oyster sauce. Oyster sauce gives it a little bit of a sweeter taste. Also can find that in the Asian aisle. And now, the secret ingredient. So when you buy the Saimin pack, it comes with a dashi packet, and inside it's just a powdered soup base. Now, this is 2 packets of Saimin. You don't need 2 packets. It's super concentrated, so you don't need the whole thing. I would probably either use half to a whole of this, depending how salty you like it. So I usually start with half and add more as needed. So this is the key to the flavor. Mix that in. So this is not as soupy as some of the other like noodle dishes. It's a little bit more on the dry side. So pour that right over. Perfect weeknight meal. I got another secret, hold on. 2 spoons are better than 1. Makes it a lot easier to toss everything. So all you wanna do is get the sauce all over the noodles. Now it depends. If you like it crispier noodles, you can fry it for a little bit longer. I like it kind of in between. Potluck, quick dinner, this is a winner, guarantee. And the kids love it. And that little extra packet goes a long way on flavor. Then let's just get some green onion for garnish. So just slice up a little bit more. Alrighty, gotta put it in something, right? Silly. Hold on. All right, got the bowl. If you like quick and easy dinner recipes, I've got a ton. I've actually got a free ebook and you can check that out. It's in the link in the description below. Help plan your weeknight meals. Super easy, super yummy. Oop, try to make it all in the bowl. Just garnish with some green onion. And that's how you make fried Saimin. If you like this recipe and you want to check out other quick and easy dinner recipes, then check out this playlist here. And until next time, ahui ho!
Thank you for watching my mommy's